welcome back to my channel. Today is a Boxy charm day. I'm so behind. This is the November box and we've only got like a couple more days. Sorry about this like messy bun, no makeup look. It is Thanksgiving prep day for sure, so I'm trying to get some chicken salad made and some spinach artichoke dip and mac and cheese. Oh guys, you've never met this kitty. This is Monzo. We've had her the longest. She's the first cat we had. She's hateful, but that's okay. She's probably gonna leave now. But let's just go ahead and jump right into this box. If I can figure out where to cut. There we go. Let's see. So this actually has some coupon codes on the back, so that's exciting. Okay, and then our list of products is right there. And it looks like we have foundation samples from Becca, so that's super exciting. Ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation. For full coverage, 24-hour water and transport resistant wear in a surprisingly weightless and breathable cream. So that's exciting. I will definitely try out the lightest one because your girl be pasty, but that's nice. Okay, so then we've got this little bag that actually just says Boxy charm on the outside with two fluffy brushes inside, it looks like. Oh, actually it's like, this will be good for like stippling on colors because it's really packed tight in there with bristles. So you're gonna get good coverage, I would think. Ooh, I like that. So it came with two different ones. And then the cute little Boxy charm bag. So that's exciting. The two-piece brush set, I can't even talk, you guys. I swear I've been in that kitchen all morning. It is $35, so that's exciting. I don't think that I've ever had like a specific Boxy charm product before, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next thing, I think it's Caprice, I think is how you say that. It also has the Boxy charm logo up on the top, so that's kind of cool. Quench and Glow Serum. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so it's like in a little dropper bottle. Guys, I'm in a different room and I'm kind of set up weird. I feel like I can't get close enough, but hopefully y'all get the gist of everything. I'm usually in my red guest bedroom, but today I'm in the blue guest bedroom. Okay, so it's literally just like ooh, it smells like medicinal. I don't like that. I'm gonna be flat honest, I don't like the smell of that. But anyways, it does have like a little bit of a dew. And it's just like a watery kind of substance there. Ooh, but it does not smell good. No. Not at all. Anyways, it says to apply several drops of this antioxidant dew to clean skin in the morning and at night for best results. So yeah, there's that. And it is $90, you guys. Holy crap. $90. It is a medicine. It's your RX drug inside a Boxy charm right there. This better do all the things for my skin. That's all I gotta say about that. Woo, 90 bucks. Dose of Color. Everybody knows I love when I get Dose of Color. So let's open it up. This one is in the shade Nude Mood. So I'm gonna assume that it's kind of mauve-y, which is right on my alley. I'm just gonna break this box because I can't get that sticker undone. Sorry, not doing it properly. Okay, so here's the tube. Dose of Color. And it is. It's like a mauve color. Let me try and get this there. It feels really good on my skin, but it just smells not great. That will probably become my new go-to color. That is super, super pretty, guys. So dose of color is 18 bucks. 18 bucks. Okay. And then I've got some, I'm going to assume, facials, Tula Skincare, Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Masks, Probiotics, and Superfoods. And there's 2 of them. Okay, so there's those. And they are 22 bucks. Is it 22 for both or 22? Yeah, for the set of 2, it is $22. So, it is supposed to clear skin with 0 irritation. Our acne gel contains 2% salicylic acid to clear up acne, prevent breakouts, and brighten your skin, okay? So, there's those instructions on the back. I'm always down for a facial, you guys know that. Okay, last but not least, we have a palette this week, or month, this month. Wouldn't it be nice if it was every week? Okay, so there it is. Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. Oh, dear Lord, you guys. Look, look, look at all the shiny goodness. Holy piddle, I love this. Okay, so let's see what I can do here. Got Eternal Light. I'm going to start closest to my wrist, and then I'm going to work my way down. Ooh, that is pretty. Okay, then we've got Fireball. These are so holographically cute. Black Matters. I will say that they're not as pigmented as some others that I've gotten, but the colors are so pretty. Zero Gravity. And so that's going to be your top row. So there's those. Okay. Starting from the wrist down. Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity. Super cool. Okay. I guess I'll go to this other hand. Let's see if I can wipe this off on this foam crap. Nope. Not really coming off. Oh well. So Lucid Dream. Storm Dust. Lunar Eclipse I'm excited about. That looks really bright. Like I said, it's not super pigmented. I'm having to like go back over a couple of times, but they are super pretty once you get that color packed in. Okay, and then Mystic Ice. So, on this hand, starting from my wrist down to my fingers, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. I'm super excited about these. These are fun colors, and I'm really loving Eternal Light, this like really glittery, like highlight kind of color almost. Super cool, super excited. And that is 35 bucks. Okay, so we ended up with a palette, facials, our dew that smells like medicine, the foundation samples, and the dose of color, lipstick, and then Boxy Charms on little 2-piece brush set. I'm super excited, guys. Like I said, the box did go up in price just a little bit. I think it's like at $25 now. But even with just the dew, $90, guys. So that's almost like 4 times as much as the box, okay? With just the one thing. Then the rest just adds on the value. It is totally worth it every single time that you get this box. I love it. They give you like a little price guide and a description to tell you like what you've got. Sometimes you end up with coupons, which we did this time. Where are they at? Right here. Up to 80% off. So yeah, this is exciting. Boxy Charm is 100% amazing. If you haven't ever subscribed, you should. You get it once a month. You pay like 25 bucks for it. And most of your products are really close to the price point. I think we have like the one that was 18 bucks, the lipstick, so that was slightly under, but then you make up when you get stuff with $90 values on it. So like I said, just trying to be really quick, trying to get this in before November ends because I've been crazy this month, but I gotta get back in the kitchen. Sorry about my look again. Partially why my hair is up is because my mother, yes, Mama Tammy, I'm calling you out, says that I play with my hair too much in my videos, so I was like, maybe if my hair's up, I won't touch it. So I think I did better on that. Sorry if I've bothered anybody else with that. It's just like, I guess, a nervous tick because I didn't even realize that I did it till I go back and edit and I'm like, oh God, how many times did I touch my hair? And then Mom points it out. She's like, for the love of God, Brittany, can you please not touch your hair? So hopefully I did better this time. But I hope everybody has a very blessed Thanksgiving. I hope everybody liked this little video that I threw together real quick. And as always, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Love you guys.